Hi, I'm Aslam Mullah and I am a registered attorney, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the top 5 questions to ask your divorce lawyer before hiring them. It's important to ask these questions simply because the person that you're hiring ultimately is going to be responsible for your financial future and the well-being of your family. So it's important that you make sure you hire the right kind of lawyer who's going to defend your interests. Here are some of the important questions to ask. Number 1, where do you usually open your divorce cases? Do you register them in the High Court or in the regional court? The reason why it's important to ask this question is because the law now allows for divorces to take place in the regional court. That is much more faster and also much more affordable as well. So this is the first question you should ask your lawyer. Where do you usually open your divorce cases? In the High Court or the regional court? The second important question to ask is, what is your experience negotiating divorces versus litigating divorces? And can you give me some examples of that? The reason why that's important is because you want a lawyer that can negotiate on your behalf to get a good deal without necessarily litigating in court. Litigation takes a lot of time and it costs a lot of money. You want a lawyer who can negotiate a good deal from you from the beginning and from the get-go. The third important question to ask your divorce lawyer is, what is your hourly rate? And are you going to charge me for every single telephone call, every single email? Tell me exactly what you're going to be billing me for. It's an important question to ask. The fourth question is, how much is the estimated cost for my divorce? You've heard everything now. What's it likely to cost me? It's important to ask that question. Even though the lawyer won't be able to give you an exact amount, you want an estimate so you know how to budget accordingly. And the last important question to ask is, can you get me an uncontested divorce? What that means is that your divorce is going to be finalized much more faster. It doesn't involve an expensive, costly, long-standing trial at the High Court or the regional court. An uncontested divorce can be finalized in a matter of weeks sometimes. So you want to ask your lawyer that question. Do you have the skill and the ability to get me an uncontested divorce? The reason why it's important to ask that is, an uncontested divorce, both the husband and the wife have to come together and agree to get the divorce. It takes some negotiation skill and persuasion skill to get that done. And you want to check if your lawyer has that ability. If your lawyer can give you examples of situations where he's able to persuade the other party to take an uncontested divorce, that would be a good attorney to go ahead with. In terms of the reason, again, why it's important to ask these, yes, it's difficult. Yes, sometimes it's uncomfortable to ask these questions, but you have to ask them because your financial future is dependent on the person that is actually representing you. In summary, be prepared before you go and see your lawyer. Have these questions written out. Use your gut feeling regarding this person. Can you trust them? Are they an expert in their field? Do they know what they're doing? And the most important thing is, will they be a good match for you and your family? If you need help in your particular situation, whether that's divorce or any kind of advice with regard to custody or actually instituting proceedings, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best and good luck.